Hey, looking after you, buddy. So he was the copper.
What did he pitch? I'll pay for it now. I'll pay for it now. Whatever he pitched. What did you do, mate? What did you do? What have you been thinking?
That was nice. That geezer there has offered to pay for his.
What we could do is if we had, where are you from? 2 different cocktails. We could have one of these.
Lazy town.
Telford with the rest of the wrong'uns. Yeah, just be aware of it. The guy who's under arrest doesn't have the subject to he could take it. If they're very right, don't bother about filming yourself. Don't bother. They're not filming. But I'm filming you, I'm filming their interaction with you. Is that alright with you? It's alright. Are you alright with it, officer? Are you alright with it? How are you aware of it? But I mean, it's not really a civil thing for you, yeah. It doesn't really bother me. Right. I guess it's privacy thing. We're surrounded by cameras.
Just make sure you're not filming kids, because this officer here likes to accuse people of filming kids when they got a camera.
All right. Well, no, there's no children. You're not a child, are you? I recognise you now. Are you confident when you're starting? Getting a little bit uncomfortable. Is there any need for the rear stack?
So apparently this guy is been arrested. PK's having a nice little chat, like he's sat on a bench having a picnic. 2217 here, sat down. It's the same copper you would have seen in a video recently before Christmas that accused me of filming children. So I accused him of being a sexual deviant because they were reaching around in young boys' pockets. Oh, I'm absolutely knackered, I am. So PK's had a word and managed to get him to uncuff him. He's offered to cuff him at the front rather than the back. PK requested that he move those handcuffs from the back and put them at the front, and he's done it. In all fairness.
Very cool. So yeah, he's going to run off.
I know, right?
Excellent do, officer. Is that better for you now, pal? Good to do. Excellent job, officers. You understand his rights. Anything he says to will be used against him will be taken down. Anything in his favour will be forgotten about.
I appreciate that, man. I can't stop him speaking.
You can't.
However, you may put him in a position where you may get him to incriminate himself.
No, when you fact find you,
that could be the case as well, babe.
Well, fact find you. So you crack the window, did you? Yeah. All right, well.
Do you know what I would say? That he looks quite cold. He looks in a bad way. And I'd say the lad probably needs some kind of medical assistance over being arrested.
Do you feel like you need any medical assistance, Bob? You feel like you need to go to A&E, maybe? You'll be all right. You'll be all right. Are you warm enough now? You might be able to get the blanket, or maybe the officer might want to take a coat off and give you.
Despite being under arrest, we don't know our intentions.
Don't play, bro. And it's more comfortable now, and I appreciate that you were feeling more comfortable. I appreciate that. Thank you. I'm sure he appreciates it as well. Thanks a lot. Have you called for transport, yeah? Have you called for transport?
Yeah. Do you have a brief, mate? Yeah? Do you have a solicitor? Well, you need to make sure you get a solicitor, so when you get to the police station, you say, do you want a solicitor? Don't be big and hard and say no. Say, yes, I'd like the duty solicitor, please. And then you must go and take the cells for it. The duty solicitor will come and speak to you after 5 or 6 hours. We'll go through your statement together, and then you otherwise, you'll end up picking up. Well, so we say, you go to the police station, and you need to, when you get there, you need to ask them for a solicitor. Okay?
Some medical assistance.
Well, they should give medical assistance. Well, to be fair, I had a suspected broken arm from a DVA 6 and 18, and they obligated to £2.60. Sorry, don't go wrong. So don't expect to be put to A&E or anything like that. Right.
So we've got PK here. He really is really not that interested in speaking to PK. Look. Look how not interested he is. Some lads walked past a minute ago and asked this copper where he was from, and he went, have a guess, and the guy went, Lazy Town. Sorry, I found that really funny. Childish but funny. But we're going to move on anyway. We're going to move on. The guy's been arrested. He had it in behind stack. He had it, you know, handcuffed behind his back, which there was no need for. PK went and had a word and said, look, you could at least put those handcuffs to the front. And he listened. He listened and put the handcuffs to the front. So, good old PK. But I'm going to leave this one here and I'll pick it back up if we get anything else. Peace. So, I'm here outside Digbeth Station. And admittedly, they've got a couple of construction issues going on in front, which means they've lost a few parking bays. But look, we got this here, look.
We got what?
Terrible. Terrible. So what we're going to do is we have some stickers here. We have some stickers. Well, not stickers, but cards. Warning, hey idiot, you suck at parking. And then over, there's all the reasons why. Put their reg plate on there. So, there we are. We're going to stick this now on the car.
Yeah, we'll stick that on. We'll get another video of that.
And they officially suck at parking. They officially...
Sticker on there. Parking.